And Max, I'm Sumit from Indus TV. It's great to have you on the show.
Thanks for having me.
Yep, so 10Gen, you told me a little bit about it before we started, that you guys are involved with MongoDB. Can you tell us a little bit about what is this innovation, MongoDB?
Sure, MongoDB is a database that's designed to be more scalable and more agile than the existing relational database technology.
Fantastic. And how does this relate to Hadoop?
Sure, so MongoDB is designed to do real-time interactive data management, and we do a lot of joint deployments with Hadoop, where people use Hadoop for batch analytics and MongoDB for the real-time interaction. So for example, Foursquare, when you check in, that data goes into MongoDB, your profile, all the venue information, all the check-ins go into MongoDB. They figure out what badges you've earned in that check-in, et cetera, out of MongoDB, and then they use Hadoop to analyze some of the trends and things of what's going on with the different venues and user populations.
And why couldn't this have been done in just a regular old SQL database?
So the challenges with relational databases for a lot of our use cases are first a challenge of scale, where the number of check-ins that are happening, the number of records that have to be looked at with every check-in to see if you've just become the mayor of the Santa Clara Convention Center are astronomical. And so there's a challenge of scale. There's also a challenge of agility to deal with new formats of data, new changes to the application, and the sort of iterative development that's going on in the web that frankly, when relational databases were designed 40 plus years ago, just weren't on anybody's mind.
Interesting. And so are we going to see a widespread transition of all the applications that we know of today into MongoDB and Hadoop frameworks?
Sure, I think we'll see a transition of a lot of applications. I think some applications, accounting applications, accounts payable, accounts receivable, fit very, very well in a relational database, and there's just no need to move them. But on the other hand, a lot of the new applications that people are building that are taking advantage of social media, that are taking advantage of the internet and mobile, and dealing with very large data sets, or applications where data sets have grown over time. One of our customers, MetLife, just released an application based on MongoDB where they consolidated 70 different customer service systems into one platform, and MongoDB was able to deal with the variety of data that they had in those 70 different systems and the volume of data that they had in those 70 different systems. So I think we'll see more and more usage of these new technologies over time.
And where in the MongoDB chain does 10Gen fit in?
So we started the MongoDB project. We drive the majority of the MongoDB development, and then we provide services and commercial licensing for users. So the product is open source. You can download it for free. I encourage you to try it out. Over 4 million people have downloaded it. They love it. And then as they move towards building production applications and they want someone standing beside them, we're happy to help.
Fantastic. Well, it sounds like you got a tiger by its tail.
We're busy, we're growing, we're having a lot of fun.
Good luck with it, and thanks for being on the show.
Thank you.